Hi everyone! I just want to welcome you to my YouTube channel. My name is Nori and I am from Hawaii. And digital marketing started for me a few years ago because I've always wanted to learn how to do my own online business. And I have spent quite a bit of money trying to buy different courses or different programs. However, I awfully failed at those. But a few months ago, my mom's health, started to decline more. So I decided that I needed to be serious in finding a way to supplement my income. I currently run my own business in finance right now. However, with that business, I do need to be out there looking for people to talk to, marketing my business, right? Face to face appointments, building a team, and things like that. So, now that I need to take care of my mom even more, I had to find a way to supplement that income. So, one day I saw my friend posted a video on TikTok saying that she just started a online marketing business in which she makes 100% profit. So I was curious. So I decided to, send her a direct message, ask her for more information to see if this is something that I would like to try because the way she described it, it sounded, so easy. So she gave me the information that I needed, and I found out that this specific program actually gives you four income streams right away, depending on the level of program that you would, buy into. So I decided to just take the leap of faith and jump into this opportunity. So I bought into the highest program that they have, which is $900. It gives me four instant income streams. And as a business owner myself, I actually can learn how to build an email list so that I could market my business, even more and utilize, the different kinds of social media platform that is available, that are available today. So, thinking about that $900, the value of the program and the live trainings several times a week, it's all worth it. And the thing is that they offer step by step process. It gives you the step one, step two, step three. So it's not hard to follow. And there's about 30 more than 30,000 members in this community, and there's somebody that's always up even when it's nighttime on my side of the world. So when I have a question, all I have to do is post it, in our community, and there's always someone that's available to, to answer my question. And that's what I love about this community, because it makes it so much easier for us newbies to learn it, right? Because there are people who have done it, before, and who are very, successful at this. And in fact, our mentor, her name is Michelle O'Neill. She's such a servant leader because she doesn't make any money from all the trainings that she provides for us, but she does it, right? Because now that she has made her several, seven-figure income now, I feel that her new purpose is to help others just like us. Me as a mom, a caregiver for my mom, and as a business owner, she just want to help, help others so that they can also have a successful and thriving online business. And I just love this community so much that even for someone like me who is not really good at a tech, I'm not a tech savvy, you guys. I'm 52 years old. I suck at it. But just like what I mentioned earlier, there's always someone in the community that is always willing to help out the rest of us. So, you know, the training so far, I want to share with you about the training that I have attended so far. It is pushing me a little bit outside of my comfort zone, but I love that because, there's a saying that there is no success in the comfort zone. You have to be willing to grow outside of your comfort zone to become successful at anything. So, side note, I haven't always been a business owner. I went to nursing school, you guys. So I used to be a nurse working at the hospital, 12 hours a shift. I had three young kids at home, and it was just so hard for me to find time to, you know, provide that quality time with them. So I feel like my children grew up on their own. I just watched them grew, and I couldn't help it because as an employee, I had no say on when I can take my day off or when I can, I can spend time with my family, right? Especially I was, brand new in nursing, so and that's actually one of the reasons why I jumped into this financial business that I am in right now. It's because that I wanted to have more time with my family. But now with my mom's, health changing, now it's another chapter, in my life that now I have to find a way to make an income from home. And I'm just so grateful that I found Legacy Builders program because it is helping me to brand myself, um, create an email list, look for my perfect customer all through automation. It's the best thing in the world. In my regular business right now, I have to go out there and look for customers. This I can utilize social media platform to look for the right customers. My perfect customers is out there looking for me, not me looking for them, if that makes sense, right? So if you are someone that has thought of how does digital marketing works, or is it true, or is it out there, is there someone out there that could help you out, you guys, do not be left behind. The world is going digital today, right? Everything is online, right? Like Amazon, for example, there's so many of us who buy things online. We don't even go to the grocery store anymore because even for your own grocery you can buy it online, isn't it? Right? And the best part is that digital marketing is global. There are billions of people who are on social media every single day, right? So you want to be a part of that. Don't be left behind. So if you are interested or even curious, please drop one in the comment and I'll definitely send you an information about what we have in our community and how this blueprint could potentially help you too. So that's all for now. Thank you so much. Again, my name is Nori and I'm from Hawaii and I'm here to help you out just like how I have been helped. So see you next time. Bye bye for now.